What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the
guys,
video.
we got a 2015 GMC Sierra. 1500 5.3 liter V8, heavy duty. What we got done on it? Factory converter there, third converter there where it wires into a single, then it goes third converter there, flex pipe. Then what we got put on it is a MAGNAFLOW 18-inch body. He didn't want it too loud, he just wanted a little bit of noise. Right there. Then two tailpipes out the back on each side there and there. He wanted them out the sides, so we went ahead and put them out the sides for him with blue flame tips there and there out the back. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. And here's the muffler and resonator and tailpipe, the original factory stuff that we took off. And you guys always remember to take that valve off if you do any kind of exhaust modification on these, or it will rattle and it does not sound good. All right, here's the part number on it, 122888. 12288, not 12288. I don't know where I got 3 8s from. 12288. That's the part number on that MAGNAFLOW. It's an 18-inch body muffler. All right, hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. The nice thing about MAGNAFLOW is they break in about like 30 days and get a little bit louder. Here's sound decibels. Again. What do you think? Perfect. I'll be back, man. Just a nice deep tone. Go ahead and back it up. Quite a lot. Oh yeah, that's a nice tone on it, guys. Let you guys hear on the inside. Oh yeah. Enjoy, guys. Very nice.